Welcome to See the Sky, where stories rise beyond borders. Today, let's explore the top new and upcoming Turkish series of 2025 and 2026. Starting with number 1. Dr. Bashka Hayatta. Inspired by the Italian hit Doc, the series tells a gripping story about memory, fate, and second chances. At the center is Professor Dr. Inan Kural, played by Ibrahim Çelikkol, a respected chief physician whose life changes overnight. After surviving a brutal attack, Inan wakes up having lost 12 years of his memories. The hospital he once ruled feels foreign, and the people around him are strangers with hidden emotions. He slowly realizes that the man he became is far from the person he once dreamed of being. Relationships are broken, truths are buried, and his own reflection feels unfamiliar. Forced to start from zero, Inan questions not only his past but the meaning of who he is now. As he returns to medicine, instinct replaces memory, and conscience guides his decisions. Every patient brings him closer to the truth he cannot remember. This second life offers him a rare chance to choose a better path. What truly makes Dr. Bashka Hayatta extraordinary is its stellar cast, whose performances bring every emotion and conflict to life. Ibrahim Çelikkol delivers a deeply nuanced and emotionally charged portrayal of a man confronting his lost past, while Sıla Türkoğlu plays Elif, the central figure in Inan's emotional journey, adding romantic tension and heart-wrenching drama. The story creates a powerful journey about identity, responsibility, and the courage to begin again, making every heartbreak, triumph, and revelation feel intensely real. Number 2. Yeraltı, Under the Ground. Haider Ali's life shatters the night his family is brutally murdered. Burning with rage, he chooses vengeance over forgiveness, landing behind cold prison walls. Inside, he sinks into Turkey's deadliest underground cartel, where power is carved from blood. Every hardship sharpens him, turning his pain into a lethal weapon. 3 merciless years pass, and at last, freedom beckons. But fate has a darker torment in store. The woman he loves is now claimed by the man he once trusted most. Desire turns into poison, loyalty fractures, and old scars bleed anew. Haider is swept into a tempest where betrayal and longing collide. Every choice carries a cost, and no one emerges unbroken. In this world, love and vengeance dance a dangerous, unforgiving waltz. Yeraltı is a gripping saga of forbidden love, ruthless revenge, and destiny's cruel games. Number 3. Kuruluş Orhan. Kuruluş Orhan continues the Ottoman story after Osman Bey, focusing on Orhan Bey, who carries his father's legacy forward. The series shows Orhan's struggle to step out of Osman's shadow and prove himself as a true leader, not just a warrior. The best thing I liked about this series is its cast, where we see actresses like Alina Boz, who's playing the role of Princess Esporka, Shukru Özildiz, Flavius, or Vasilius, a Byzantine commander opposing Orhan, Baris Faleh, who helps Orhan with his wisdom. Major themes include the conquest of Bursa, internal. The drama highlights strategy, war councils, betrayals, and political alliances as Orhan builds a stronger state. Many viewers praise the action scenes. Number 4. Bereketli Topraklar. In the city of Adana, 2 wealthy families, the Bereketoglu's and the Karahanlis, have lived in an uneasy peace for 20 years. That peace began after a tragic fire killed Rıza Bereketoglu, a loss that his son Omar later avenged, forcing both families to stop fighting, at least on the surface. Now, when Salih Bereketoglu returns home and falls in love with Fatma Karahanli, the granddaughter of their rivals, the past begins to rise again. Old wounds reopen, and whispers of revenge return to the city. Omar, the powerful yet fair leader of the Berekitoglu family, is respected by the people but feared by his enemies. He stands for justice, protecting the poor and punishing the corrupt, but his life is built on painful secrets. Into this tense world arrives Naveen, a brave prosecutor searching for answers about her fiancé's mysterious death. Her investigation leads her straight into Adana's dark world of power and crime, and to Omar himself. As Naveen and Omar grow closer, love and duty begin to clash. Their connection could bring peace to Adana or start the city's most dangerous war once again. Number 4. Glave Gunahalar. Serhat grew up facing heartbreak, his father walked away, and his family lost everything. Through resilience and hard work, he rebuilt his life, becoming a respected and successful businessman guided by integrity and family values. But just when he thought he had everything under control, his world collapsed. His beloved wife Berrak had been keeping a painful secret from him, one that could destroy everything he believed in. Before Serhat could confront her, fate intervened. A tragic accident left Berrak in a coma, taking her secret with her. In the midst of this turmoil, Serhat's path crossed with Zainab, a fiery young woman from a poor neighborhood, full of spirit and defiance. Though worlds apart, Serhat and Zainab were drawn together by the storm of betrayal, truth, and destiny. As mistrust clashed with undeniable attraction, they found themselves torn between duty and desire. Zainab became the light that challenged Serhat's pain, while Serhat was the man who tested Zainab's courage. This is not just a tale of love, but of betrayal, hidden truths, and the strength to rebuild. Because sometimes, the deepest wounds lead to the most unexpected beginnings. Number 5. Kosu Anatomisi, The Graft. Kosu Anatomisi is a gripping crime drama that follows the life of Ozan, a young and idealistic emergency room doctor whose world changes forever when he unexpectedly crosses paths with Kenan, one of Turkey's most powerful underground crime lords. Drawn into a dark and dangerous world, Ozan's values and beliefs are tested as both he and Kenan undergo profound transformations. Their lives become deeply intertwined, blurring the line between good and evil, hope and despair. Filled with action, drama, and suspense, the series takes viewers on an intense journey into the anatomy of chaos itself. Number 6. Arafta. Set against the breathtaking landscapes of Turkey, Arafta tells a gripping story of revenge, fate, and forbidden love. Atesh is a man shaped by a painful childhood, carrying scars that have turned into burning rage. After years away, he returns with one purpose: to destroy the family that ruined his life. But his revenge is not violent, it is calculated and cruel. He binds himself to Mirjan, the innocent daughter of his enemy, through a forced marriage lasting 187 days. Mirjan's life is shattered overnight, torn away from her future and from Nazir, the man she was meant to marry. Trapped in a war she never chose, she becomes a pawn in Atesh's revenge. Atesh believes Mirjan is merely a tool, a way to inflict pain. Yet her strength, vulnerability, and quiet defiance begin to challenge everything he believes. As emotions blur, anger slowly gives way to desire and confusion. Love emerges where hatred was meant to rule. In the shadows stands Asl, driven by jealousy and obsession. She manipulates, schemes, and strikes whenever she can to tear Atesh and Mirjan apart. Arafta is a powerful saga where fire can either destroy or transform everything into ashes. Overall, it's a series that deeply resonates with fans of intense and drama, but may frustrate viewers who value subtle writing and realism. Number 7. 5. Shift Kisilik Order Double Room. Shift Kisilik Order follows Nilufar, a young woman who dreams of working at the Lutetia Hotel, a place built by her late parents before they passed away when she was a child. Determined and hardworking, Nilufar slowly climbs the ranks at the hotel. Meanwhile, Karn, one of the hotel's rightful heirs, returns after years away. His motive is just taking revenge from his cold and controlling stepsister Sevil, who has been running the hotel in his absence. Karn checks into the luxurious king's suite, and his presence shakes the balance at Lutetia. A misunderstanding brings him face to face with Nilufar, sparking a complicated connection between them. As their lives intertwine, buried secrets, past traumas, and power struggles begin to surface. Nilufar finds herself torn between her dreams and a growing bond with a man surrounded by mystery and pain. In a world full of ambition, betrayal, and unexpected love, nothing will ever be the same for Nilufar and Karn. Number 8. Bir İttimal Daha Var, Bet Your Life. Bet Your Life is a Turkish comedy drama that follows the unusual partnership between Isa, a once legendary sports betting columnist whose luck and life have hit rock bottom, and Refik, a wealthy businessman who is, unfortunately, dead. After losing his job and making dangerous enemies due to failed predictions, Isa encounters the ghost of Refik, who offers him a shot at redemption. Refik has unfinished business. He wants Isa to help solve his own murder. Together, they form a reluctant, oddball duo, Isa, skeptical and desperate, and Refik, commanding and snobbish even in death. As they delve into the mystery behind Refik's death, Isa uncovers dark secrets, navigates through quirky small-town characters, and starts to regain his confidence. Set against the scenic backdrop of Urla in the Aegean, the series blends elements of comedy, mystery, and light drama, with themes of second chances, legacy, and unlikely friendship. While some see it as lacking depth and originality, others praise its charm, cultural flavor, and heartfelt storytelling. Number 9. Sustali Ceylan. Ceylan, portrayed by Sumeyye Edon, is a young woman forced into marriage at an early age to Necmi, an unemployed and abusive man. Her life revolves around her son, Yusuf, for whom she endures daily hardships. Secretly, Ceylan attends a vocational health school, hoping to escape her oppressive life upon graduation. To support her family and continue her education, Ceylan works as a housekeeper and caregiver for the mother of Atmaca Bakery, a powerful figure in the criminal underworld. Atmaca leads a double life, balancing his family with his wife, Mutba, and his affair with Dilara. His trusted confidant, Fahad, is a fearless and intelligent man who becomes captivated by Ceylan's resilience. The narrative takes a dark turn when Yusuf falls victim to an organ trafficking ring due to Necmi's actions, resulting in the loss of a kidney. This tragedy ignites a fire within Ceylan, transforming her from a submissive wife into a determined warrior seeking justice. Fahad becomes her greatest ally in this relentless battle against the criminal world. Number 10. Gözleri Karadeniz, Eyes Like the Black Sea. Gözleri Karadeniz follows the journey of Azil, a young man from the Black Sea whose life changes after the death of his adoptive mother. He learns that he is in fact the lost heir of the powerful Machari family, one of Istanbul's most feared dynasties. Determined to uncover the truth about his past, Azil steps into the dark world of Istanbul, where family rivalries, betrayals, and hidden secrets await him. His path collides with a forbidden love, pulling him into a dangerous romance that challenges both his heart and destiny. As he struggles to reconcile his Black Sea roots with his new identity, Azil faces a dramatic clash with his brother, who refuses to accept him. The deeper he goes, the more he is torn between power and conscience, love and loyalty. In a world where trust is rare and betrayal lurks at every corner, Azil must decide who he really is, an ordinary boy from the sea, or the rightful heir to a ruthless dynasty. Number 11. Kumar. Jaylan, a kind and dutiful young woman, flees her home when her father attempts to sell her as a second wife, or Kumar, to settle his debts. During her escape, she meets Karan, a wealthy businessman, and they fall in love. However, tragedy strikes when Jaylan is unjustly accused of murdering Karan's brother. To preserve family honor, Karan marries his brother's widow and compels Jaylan to become his second wife, despite her innocence and their prior romantic connection. This arrangement traps Jaylan in a household where she is unwelcome, forcing her to navigate hostility, seek to prove her innocence, and strive to reclaim her place in Karan's heart. Number 12. El Turco. El Turco follows the journey of Balban Hassan, a janissary in the Ottoman army, who is betrayed during the 1683 Battle of Vienna and left for dead. Escaping execution, he ends up wounded in the remote Italian village of Mona, where the locals, especially a woman named Gloria, nurse him back to health. Embraced by the villagers, he settles there and earns the nickname El Turco. Balban falls in love with an Italian girl, Mariana, and becomes a folk hero after organizing a rebellion against the oppressive feudal lords. He trains the villagers in warfare and leads them in a fight for freedom, facing his old enemy, Marco Benedetti di Vicenza. Alongside him, a witch becomes a healer, a homeless girl becomes the first female janissary, and a one-armed blacksmith becomes a crucial ally. Balban's courage and wisdom win the hearts of the people, and after his death, Mona honors him with a yearly festival, La Turcina, celebrating the Turkish hero who once fought for their liberty. From the very first scene, it pulls you in and keeps you there with its beautiful visuals, intense action, and emotional storytelling. Jan Yaman really surprised me. His performance had depth, especially in the more emotional moments. The chemistry between him and Greta Ferro felt genuine, and the whole cast delivered. I loved the historical setting mixed with the drama. It gave the series a unique vibe. Definitely binge-worthy, and I'm already looking forward to season 2. Number 13. Uzak Sahir, Distant City. Uzak Sahir is an adaptation of the popular Lebanese series Al-Heba. The series follows Alia Albora, who arrives in Mardin from Canada with her late husband's funeral and their young son to fulfill her husband's final wish. Her arrival, however, marks the beginning of an irreversible journey, trapping her within the powerful and dangerous Albora tribe. Sihan Albora, the head of the tribe, is sympathetic to Alia's struggles but refuses to allow her to leave with her child. As Alia grapples with the darkness of the past, hidden family secrets, and the brutal realities of the region, she finds herself at odds with her late husband's family. The show delves into the tension between Alia and the powerful Albora clan, where old grudges and complex relationships complicate her mission. Caught between the love for her son and the violent world she's now trapped in, Alia must navigate a life she never expected. In a setting filled with danger, betrayal, and power struggles, Alia faces a fierce battle for her freedom and the future of her child. As she unravels long-buried secrets, Alia must decide whether she can break free from the clutches of the Albora family or if she will be consumed by it. The series explores themes of family, loyalty, and survival in a harsh, unforgiving environment. Number 14. Karal Kebiders. Karal Kebiders follows Kenan Baran, a charismatic and powerful businessman, has always had control over his life, both in business and love. He thrives on his ability to win over women, believing he is untouchable. His marriage to Handan is strained, but he refuses to let go, despite his affairs. Everything changes when he meets Fadi, a young woman from a humble background who refuses to be just another conquest. Their complicated relationship forces Kenan to confront his deepest fears and insecurities. When Fadi realizes Kenan will never leave his wife, she walks away, triggering his downfall. As his wealth and power crumble, Kenan unknowingly seeks help from the same psychiatrist as Fadi. Over 30 years, the once dominant king transforms from a selfish taker to a man who learns the value of giving and redemption. As a viewer, you might appreciate the deep psychological layers of the story, being a true karma story that beautifully captures the rise and fall of a man who once had everything. Even though the storytelling is praiseable, with strong performances from the cast. However, you might feel this series as predictable Turkish drama about infidelity, making it a total waste of time with a weak plot, overly simple dialogues, and an unnecessarily long runtime. You can give it a try, maybe you like it. Number 15. Elçin Sangu ile 101. Elçin Sangu ile 101 is a thought-provoking Turkish documentary series hosted by the beloved actress Elçin Sangu, streaming exclusively on Gain. Each episode explores one major topic of modern life, from digital dating and beauty standards to AI, astrology, anxiety, and body image. Rather than offering answers, the show encourages viewers to think deeply and form their own perspectives. Elçin's calm, reflective narration and emotional depth give each subject a personal, relatable touch. The series blends historical facts, expert insights, and current societal trends in a fun yet informative way. Visual storytelling, poetic narration, and smart editing keep it engaging from start to finish. It's not just about information, it's about perspective, emotion, and inner questioning. From "Why do we really gain weight?" to "Should we even have kids?" Each episode hits a real nerve. With only around 10 to 15 minutes per episode, it's accessible yet profound. Elçin's performance stands out, subtle, soulful, and effortlessly captivating. And that wraps up our list of the top 15 new Turkish series. Which one are you most excited to watch? Let me know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more updates on the best Turkish dramas with English subtitles. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.